Luxor reporting here in Edmonton on April 10th. Kind of crazy weather we got going today here. Our friend here is all snowed up. There you go, buddy. So you can see again. This is climate change at its greatest, folks. Now we know sometimes it snows at this time of the year, but this is pretty crazy. Let's go for a little run through the snow down through downtown. Welcome to Edmonton. Not only is it the city of champions, it's the city of freaky deaky weather. Hey, look! The street's just covered in snow. On this side, this little bear, but over here, just covered in it. Looks like Mother Nature's in the courthouse today, saying humanity is guilty. Let's go check out this big guy over here. Who's bigger? This guy or me? Winter is back. That means I can go sledding again in April. Well, I don't know, buddy. Doesn't look like much of a lunch break when you're out in the cold weather like this.